It almost looks funny. Look at that. It looks like a ghost or something. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a house hippo. If Let me go ahead and turn it inside out. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to dust the inside of the hippo with my blue here. It's the chrome powders from Let's Resin. And I'm going to use this dark blue for his eyes. Oop. It's so soft, it keeps popping out. That's okay, though. But anyway, if y'all aren't familiar with the hippos, what they were is up in Canada and the northern part of the United States, they had a campaign going for don't believe what you see on TV. Let's see, here's his eyes. And the house hippo, they had a nice little commercial. It was cute. That that was his tusk. Oh my lord. Anyway, they had a commercial about the hippo, the house hippo. And what they were saying about it is they just told different things about it. And then at the end, they said, it's not real. Don't believe everything you see. It was something so the kids would understand. Don't always believe what you see on TV. And it was a cute commercial too. But that was like back in 1999, a long time ago. Doesn't seem like it, but it was. I just used a micro brush to paint that on for the eyes. Let me let that down. It's going to pop. I know it's going to pop. All right. Let's go with his. Let's see. I got his eyes. He's got tusks and a smile there. You see it? I don't know what I'm going to do with his tusks. Let me see. How about we put red on them? Just cuz. Or we can go silver. Yeah, let's go silver on it instead. This guy likes to pop. We get a small brush. And we'll just do his little tusks. I'll clean this up before I brush the whole big thing. But now, I'm sorry, as I was saying, the house hippos are now, people buy them for good luck. They keep them in their house for good luck. So I wanted one for my house for good luck. I know I made one once before, but I didn't do it this way and I messed him up. You can see it in one of my other videos. Go. Okay. Close this up, get it out of the way. Now we're going to do the whole thing. After I clean up his his backside. After I clean up the backside. It almost looks funny. Look at that. It looks like a ghost or something. So I forgot to open a. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get this. Ooh, that's pretty green. Look at that green. That's a beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward while I'm doing this so you don't have to sit there and watch me, or so you don't have to sit there and be bored. There we go. We got that all inside out now. Let me clean this mess up and I'll mix up some resin and I will be back to you as soon as I'm done doing that. I've got my Expert resin mixed up and I'm going to be using my Expert epoxy pigment paste. And all I'm going to do is just put a few drops in there. Does not take much with this black. Just a few drops. 1, 2, 3. That should be dark enough. It doesn't have to be that opaque. Just a little bit. But this stuff here turns opaque really fast with just a little bit of that paste. I mean, look at how black it is. Make sure you stir it up real good though. You don't want any of that paste sticking and staying. It's a little bit thick because it's kind of cool in here today. I did not heat up my resin. I should have, but I didn't. I figured it's just going into the Hippo and I'm just going to be squeezing a little bit of here and there and it should be fine. Okay, let's go ahead and start getting that in there. Oops. I'm going to tip him. There's really nothing to squeeze in this little guy except for his ears. And that's what I forgot. I knew there was something. His little bitty ears. Let's see. I think I got him. There's no bubbles coming up, is there? See any bubbles popping up? I don't. All right, let's go ahead and finish filling them up. And then we will come back tomorrow and demold him. And if there's any pretty stuff that need to do to him, we will. But that cobalt blue, or that blue I got on him is amazing. I do have extras left over, but that'll be all right. I'll find something to put him in. I'll find something to put that black in. You spray it with isopropyl alcohol. And I'm going to set it aside to demold. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Hi, everybody. It's demolding day. I'm so excited. We've got the house hippo, and this is such a soft, if you can see, it's so soft of a silicone. It's going to come out so simple. Let's go ahead and get all these loose. There's his tail. Look at that. Silver tusks. Blue eyes. I didn't get it completely right in through here. I thought I did. But that's okay. We can give him a bow or a hat or something if we want to. But I think it turned out amazing. I do believe that's a matte mold, or I mean, satin mold. It's not matte, but it's like satin. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I bet you if I put some UV resin over top of this, it would shine. Get a little black marker. It's my intensity marker from Bic. And just color his ears in real quick. I think I'm going to get a butterfly to put on his head. Let me put him a little eye. I think I got him cockeyed. I think that looks better. Yep, that looks better. All right. And I think I'm going to find a butterfly, put on his head. All right, I found my butterflies. I just got some that I ordered off Temu a while back. Let's find a pretty one. Look, that one's broken. Oh, that one's gorgeous. And that'll match. That'll match him pretty. I've got my B7000 glue. All right. Some on the back. I think it's time for more glue for me, because it's not wanting to come off. It's not wanting to pop out of this tube. I've had it for a while, though. I had it for probably a year. Maybe 2. I don't know. All right, I got some on there. Off my finger. Thank you. All right, let's see. I'm going to put him on his head on this side. It's right in front of his ear. There we go. I think he turned out rather pretty. I like my little house hippo. I'm going to keep him here at the house to keep it for good luck. Well, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this pour as much as I did, please don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Until next time, keep creating, keep pouring. Bye for now.